So in this video we're going to have a look at adding and subtracting surds where the surds aren't the same but there's something we can do about it. So the first example we've got is the square root of 12 take away the square root of 27. Now if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, then I recommend you go back and look at simplifying surds and adding simple surds, because we'll need that skill in this video. So let's start with the square root of 12. I need to do something with that. And we're going to simplify it first. So we're going to take the 12 and look for the factor pairs. We get 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. And that simplifies to the square root of 3 times the square root of 4. Now we know the square root of 4 is 2. So that is the square root of 3 times 2. So that gives us 2 root 3. We're going to do exactly the same for 27. And I'm going to go 1 and 27, 3 and 9, and that is it. So I'm going to have to take the 3 and the 9. So we get root 3 times root 9. Well, root 9 is 3, so we get root 3 times 3. So that simplifies to 3 root 3. So this question has actually become 2 root 3 take away 3 root 3. Now, you know you've done this question right, or you're going along the right lines, if you get the square roots or the surd elements to be the same. So here, we now just simplify as we did in the previous video. We get 2 root 3 take away 3 root 3. We subtract the front numbers, so we get minus 1 root 3. Now, if this was algebra, we wouldn't put minus 1a, we'd just put minus a. Well, that's the same in this case. This is actually just going to be minus root 3. Let's have a look at a second example now. So we're going to take the square root of 48, and I'm going to go straight to saying that the factor pairs we go for are going to be 3 and 16. So that becomes 4 root 3. If you're not sure how I've done that so quickly, go back and watch the video again just very carefully and follow the steps all the way through. We did root 12 before, and we came out with 3 and 4, so this comes out at 2 root 3. So this question has now become 4 root 3 take away 2 root 3, and then we get 4 take away 2 is going to leave us with 2 root 3. And that's how we add and subtract. Obviously we haven't done any adding examples here, but you do it exactly just the same. But that's how we add and subtract surds when we've got different surds in operation.